In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and modify text watermarks in Microsoft Word. Text watermarks are a great way to add a professional touch to your documents, whether you want to indicate that a file is confidential, a draft, or simply branded with a custom label. Microsoft Word makes it easy to add these marks and customize them to fit your needs. To begin, open your Word document and go to the Design tab at the top of the screen. In the Page Background group, you'll see the Watermark option. Click on it to view a list of pre-designed watermarks, such as Confidential, Do Not Copy, or Draft. You can click on one of these to insert it directly into your document. If you want to create a custom text watermark, select the Custom Watermark option at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This will open the Printed Watermark dialog box. Here, choose the Text Watermark option, which allows you to enter your own text. You can type anything you like, such as a company name, a project title, or a personalized note. Once you've entered the text, you can customize the font, size, color, and layout. Word also allows you to set the watermark to appear diagonally or horizontally across the page. These options help you control the visibility and impact of the watermark without overwhelming the main content of your document. After adjusting your settings, click Apply and then OK. The watermark will now appear behind your text on every page of the document. You can scroll through your file to make sure it appears correctly and maintains readability. If you want to modify or remove a watermark later, go back to the Watermark option in the Design tab. From there, you can select Remove Watermark to delete it entirely, or choose Custom Watermark again to make adjustments to the text, font, or layout. Using text watermarks is an effective way to communicate the status of a document or brand your files while keeping your content readable and professional. By customizing your watermark, you can maintain a consistent and polished look across all your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.